Okay, it's day 2. It is currently 8:15 in the morning. Gonna start bringing these panels up here. It's 11 total of these Gstar 425W panels. This is by far the worst part of doing these roof mount solar panels, is carrying those 3.5 foot by 6 foot panels up here, up this ladder, and then humping them up here 11 times. Goes by pretty quick, but definitely not easy. I think my plan is to just bring them up here. I'll probably just stack them right here, and then I'll start laying them out all across this porch. These are the last 4 panels I have to throw on the roof. I have 7 on the roof right now. These are going to be the last 4. They are unfortunately connected right now. The inverter is showing 120 volts, so I'll hit the disconnect here. I don't know if I got that in camera, but that was the disconnect right here for this array. We'll check the inverter and see the volts going through. All right, we are inside. Let's see if we can take a look here. Oh, it's terrible. It's got a glare. There we go. So it shows my first array's got 350 volts and the second array's got 0 volts. So we can disconnect them. Hot. Don't move. Right, last one. All right, that's it. All right, last 4 panels that I drug from over there, they are going to go on the first row here on the porch. Plan is to bring them in one at a time and clamp them down on this first row. This is the end clamp. These are just on Amazon. This is a very specific nut that fits in between the Unistrut, and I'll clamp them down. Well, first I'll try to align it the best I can, and then I'll do some wire management, And then once it looks pretty good, I'll clamp it down, and then I'll jump on the porch, and then we'll start doing the middle ones. And then I'll try and get a close-up of how I'm going to clamp those middle panels. Alright, so far I've clamped down those first three. This is going to be the fourth one. And I'll just kind of show you how I'm clamping them down. There's one. One more. Alright. These sides over here are the end clamps. These mid clamps are going to be kind of the same thing. It's just the Unistrut nut inside here. This is like a 2-inch bolt, and then this is like a 3/8 inch washer, super thick. And then I'll clamp it down on that side. These are just spacers here. These little blocks of wood just to make sure it's all even. This is the last end clamp. I'm going to try and do a little close up here while I hold the phone. It's the Unistrut nut. Just push it into the channel here. Turn. It's hard to do with one hand. All right, let me slide it forward a bit until it's even here with the panel. And that's it. All right. It is, I don't know if you can see that, 3 p.m. Took me about 5-6 hours. Took some breaks in between there. But this is the end product here. That's my, I think that's my negative that I'm going to run underneath the porch, and it'll go to the disconnect. And this is my positive right here, and it'll wrap underneath this porch and go to the disconnect. All right, gonna connect the last negative MC4 connector, and then we'll check for voltage. I'll zip tie this into this channel somehow. Alright, let's go check some voltage. Alright. These panels I think are 36 volts open circuit. I got 11 in series. So I should have, I think around 400, something like that. 387 volts. Looks pretty good. Is showing 0 volts on the inverter, so we're gonna pop that on and see what pops up. All right, let's take a look at the inverter, see what we got. It's a little blurry. See if I can focus in. There we go. So the 350 volts, that's my other array. The one that we just mounted on the porch is the bottom one. Looks like it's around 284 volts, 286 volts, and it's pulling in about 400 watts. All right. It's currently 5:28 p.m., so sun's heading down. Sounds about right. All right.